दर्यादेग वाठारात ड्रग्स आणि पॅडलर्स नित्याचेच. हणजुणात 4 दिसां फाटीं दोग जाण ड्रग्स ओव्हरडोसान मेले. गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या मंत्र्यांनी प्रकरण लावन धरिल्ल्यान पुलीस मातशे एक्टिव्ह जाल्यात. हणजुणच्या पुलिसांनी मंगळारा बीच बेल्टांतल्या 2 हेवीवेटांक ड्रग्साच्या लिंक्साच्या दुबावावेल्यान धरले. निक्स क्लबाचो ओनर रोहन शेट्टी आणि कर्लीस रेस्टॉरंटाचो ओनर एडविन न्युनिसाक तांच्या एस्टॅब्लिशमेंटाच्या वाठारात ड्रग्सांचो वेव्हार जाला म्हूण धरले. फाटल्या 2 दिसांत 4 ड्रग्सा सयत धरल्या उपरांत पुलिसांनी दोगांचेरूय निमाणे हात घालो. पुलिसांनी सोमारा डेरिस सारिगाला, आकाश प्रसाद आणि मार्सियो मुल्लेन हांकां कर्लीस रेस्टॉरंटाच्या पार्किंग वाठारात ड्रग्सा सयत धरिल्ले. रेस्टॉरंटाचो वेटर मंजुनाथ अनवेरीकाराकय चरस आणि बाकीच्या ड्रग्सा सयत धरिल्लो. दुसऱ्या एका रेडीत हणजूण पुलिसांनी केरळाच्या जो रेमन ज्युनियराक सुमार 40,000 रुपयांच्या चरस आणि MDMA सयत धरलो. चौकशी केल्या उपरांत निक्स क्लब आणि कर्लीस रेस्टॉरंटाच्या वाठारात ड्रग्साचो वेव्हार चलतालो म्हूण ओनरांक खबर आशिल्लें म्हूण पुलिसांक कळिल्ल्यान तांकांय भितर उडयल्यात.
Today we have arrested the owner of Curly's. Owner of Curly's, he is Edwin Moons, and also the operator and the manager of Nick's Club, a person called Rohan Shetty. So we have registered 4 cases in the past 48 hours, in which 8 persons have been arrested so far. And a waiter of Curly's was arrested day before yesterday night in a raid that was conducted by the district team and then handed over to the local police. On the very same night, 3 persons were also arrested, 3 young boys from Bangalore who were consuming charas in the same premises. In Nick's, yesterday the local police did a very good work by arresting another 2 people who were one person who was having some narco substances, MDMA, ganja, as well as charas. So he was selling it inside the premises. So as per NDPS Act section 25, the owner of the premises where any such drug related activity takes place, either consumption or sale, he is liable, he is equally responsible for the same offense, same punishment. So on that ground we have arrested the owner of Curly's as well as the operator and manager of Nick's Club and Bar. Definitely, it is a very, very strong message that any such drug related activity into any premises, be it of a restaurant, be it of a pub, be it of a bar, be it of a shack, will not be tolerated. And they should be absolutely clear that if any person, any peddler not related to these places or any of their waiters are found to be selling or consuming any kind of drugs, they will be held liable for this.
ड्रग्स केशीत खंयच्याय पुलिसाचो हात आसा म्हूण पुरावो मेळत जाल्यार एक्शन घेतले म्हूण SP चंदन चौधरी उलयली.
If anything comes into our notice, if we get any trail or any information or any evidence, even the smallest evidence of the involvement of any police personnel, be it a police constable or a PSI or the PI, any police staff, strong action will be taken against them.
इतले मजगती खोर्ले म्हापशा एका कारवायेत एंटी नार्कोटिक सेलान योगिता नायक आणि चैताली नायक ह्या दोगा भयणींक रेड हँडेड धरली. तांचे कडच्यान सुमार 16 लाख रुपयांचे 14 किल 100 ग्राम गांजा आणि 20 ग्राम MDA ड्रग्स मेळ्ळा. तांचो बापूय संतोष नायक हिस्ट्री शीटर म्हूण पुलीस सांगतात.
Today both the girls were found caught red-handed, and enough drug is found. I think more than 14 kilos of ganja and some MDMA drugs. Altogether it is worth more than 16 lakhs. It's a good catch. I have complimented my staff for this catch. Accused दोन्ही चलयो मर्द, योगिता आणि चेताली, both are sisters. Naik.
योगिता नायक
I think their father also
Santosh Naik.
Father is Santosh Naik, history shooter of Mapsa police station. They have got some background.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.